Ground, good afternoon, Sky 5570, Charlie 6, Tango taxi.
Sky 5570, Los Angeles ground, uniforms current running 25 right, taxi via Bravo.
Via Bravo, we'll grab uniform Sky 5570.
We pull on Alpha, facing east, and expect runway 25 left, Romeo Alpha Mike 4835. Any chance for runway 25 right?
Romeo Alpha Mike 4835 heavy, expect runway 25 right. Romeo Alpha Mike 4835 heavy, expect runway 25 right.
Expect 25 right, sorry sir, any chance to have 25 left?
Romeo Alpha Mike 4835 heavy, the first instructions were to expect 25 left, you told me you needed 25 right, now you want 25 left?
It's my fault sir, sorry.
Which runway would you like?
We would like 25 left, Romeo Alpha Mike 4835.
Romeo Alpha Mike 4835 heavy, expect runway 25 left.
Expect runway 25 left, Romeo Alpha Mike 4835, thank you.
That was 5570, mileage tower 120.905.
Let's go 5570, we're going to have to balance our fuel out before we take off. Can we pull over on Charlie here and stay with you, or do you want us over to tower?
That was 5570, hold short of Charlie 4 for now.
Hold short of Charlie 4 for now, let's go 5570.
That's 5570. How much longer do you think you'll need?
Kind of hard to say, maybe 10 minutes, go 5570?
10 minutes, okay. Taxi via Charlie 4, left turn on Charlie, short of Charlie 5.
Alright, left Charlie 4, Charlie, short of Charlie 5, let's go 6570, sorry.
Calling at what?
We're ready to go.
Again, 2 calling at 1. Line 10, heavy Los Angeles ground, taxi via Bravo, Charlie 8.
Bravo, Charlie 8.
Let's go 5570, he's ready to go now.
Got 5570, runway 25 right, hold short of Charlie 5.
Alright, 25 right, hold short of Charlie 5, let's go 5570.
Got 5570, runway 25 right, taxi Charlie 5 and Bravo at Bravo, pass behind American.
Charlie 5, Bravo at Bravo will pass behind American, let's go 5570.
Got 5570 on Bravo, monitor tower 120.905.
On Bravo, monitor tower, thanks for the patience, go 5570, see ya.
Alright. Skywest 5570, wind 240 at 12, running 25 right, clear for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, go 5570.
Skywest 5570, have a good flight, contact SoCal Park.
Okay, I'll see you later, Sky 5570, thanks. Evening, SoCal, Sky 5570 is 1,700, climbing to 5,000 on the Ventura.
Sky 5570, radar contact, climb and maintain 12,000.
Climb maintain 12,000, Sky 5570.
to the friendly skies. We're happy to have you on board with us today. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, please keep your seatbelts fastened well seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Try to keep the aisle and galley areas clear and use a restroom located in your cabin when possible. Remember that bags may move around during takeoff, so be careful when opening the overhead bin. You may now use your laptop and other larger devices. On this flight, Wi-Fi is available for purchase for $8. We also have a wide selection of free movies and TV shows on your personal device through the United app. We have a very quick flight to San Luis Obispo, but please let us know if there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable. As a reminder, drinking personal alcohol you brought on board is not permitted.